guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So in the previous episode, we talked about what applications we should use push piers on. So today we're going to talk about what applications we should use helical piers on. Again, the lighter the structure, you're not going to have the weight that the push pier is going to need to push against, so you're going to want to use a helical anchor. The helical is hydraulically driven into the ground where it's not utilizing the weight of the building or anything like that. So you're able to get to deeper depths without compromising or lifting the footing or the structure and causing additional damage to it. Another thing that you want to use helical anchors for is for some cities require ICCs, or LA has their LAR, where push piers don't have an LAR and helicals do. So you got to kind of keep that in your mind too with what city you're getting a permit in or what city your house is in, to make sure you're using the right project where you're not having a bunch of corrections that come back through the city. So that's a little bit about why we use helical anchors, and in the next couple episodes we'll talk about the benefits of both. So stay tuned and we'll see you soon.